if you're stuck in the 100 view jail or even the 500 view jail and you want to start getting 2, 3, 4x more views than you've been getting, this is going to be the way you do it. I'm going to prove it right now. I just uploaded a video about an hour ago. One of the videos had only 160 views. Now that video was not edited, untouched, uploaded, and it was the first one. After that, I uploaded the second one, but this time I added some effects, some AI editing, and look at the result. I literally got almost three times more views from the original video, which by the way was posted first. Excuse the order here. This one was posted first and this one was posted second. So 160 views without AI editing and 412 views with AI editing. Now, if you're too lazy to edit like me, you can use an app called Zippy Clip. It's an AI video editor and it's going to get you so much more views than you already get. Now, I'm going to demonstrate it right now. Let me show you the app working. All right, so here we go. This is the app that's going to do it for you. It's going to literally take a video and edit it completely with AI, so you don't have to do anything. Now, I'm not talking about Claude Code where you have these crazy setups connecting all these different APIs and all this craziness, transcripting and crazy. This is all in one single app, and it doesn't even require an API key. It literally edits for you, and you can see everything that's happening. It's creating tons of effects for you, all in one click. You see this button here? One click Pro AI Edit. When you put a video on the timeline and click on that, it's literally going to start bombarding your video with the best effects, the best sound effects, the best remotions, hyperframes. It's going to actually color grade your video and also put music if necessary, if you've asked for it to. And basically at the end of the day, you're going to end up with a video that performs 2x, 3x, 4x, or 5x better than your original video. So if you're fed up of getting low views, which basically low views means less income for you, less people seeing your work. Now, how does it work? Let's talk about the algorithm. The algorithm loves people who stay on your video. The algorithm doesn't like people who come and just flick away. And most videos, even the one you're watching right now, you always have the urge to flick away. It's just a natural human instinct to want to flick away from every video. It's just, you want more dopamine. But this AI video editor is going to take busy people who don't have time to edit, and it's going to do all of that hard work for you. It's going to put subtitles in whatever language the video is in. It's going to add special effects, hyperframe effects, remotion effects, sound effects, color grading, and subtitles. So there's going to be a lot of movement on the video, even if it's a boring video. After that, it's going to publish to all of your channels. Yeah, it's not all. It also publishes to all of your channels. That includes YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and X, all automatically. And even if you have multiple YouTube accounts, it will publish to all of them in one go, which is absolutely insane. Because when you think about it, you could have, let's say, 3 YouTube channels and 2 Instagram channels, and it will publish to that. Now, how do you do this? How complicated is it? So you're going to be happy to know this is one of the easiest apps ever to use. The reason why is because it was built for the very beginner-friendly, easy people that don't even understand AI but want to benefit from it can use this. How do you do this? Very easy. You click on one button. Once you download this, you click on the automate button. And then when you click on automate, you fill a simple form, which is in plain English. And then it will ask you what channels would you like this specific automation to post into. And then it will post in. But to be honest with you, when I first started using it, I was more comfortable typing or speaking here. As you can see here in the microphone down here on my screen, you can type a command over here and then it will literally send it to the AI. Alternatively, you can literally type it and ask what you want it to do. Like you could say, hey, add some effect. Hey, add some effects at the start. And add subtitles and etc, and then it will do all your work for you. So I already have my perfect prompt. In fact, I just click this one click Pro AI Edit button and it just does everything, including subtitles. And that's it basically. So this is the way to go from 100 views to make your video production value higher. So even if you're a video editor You definitely need to test this to see if perhaps this app can edit your videos better than you. Don't get offended. Just embrace AI, because AI is going to make sure that you are up to date with the latest technology and have someone else do your work for you so you can spend more time at home with your family. Give me a like and see you in the next video.